International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights, General Comment Number 14, Right to Life. 1. In its General Comment Number 6/16, adopted at its 378th meeting on July 27, 1982. The Human Rights Committee observed that the right to life enunciated in the first paragraph of Article 6 of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights is the supreme right from which no derogation is permitted even in time of public emergency. The same right to life is enshrined in Article 3 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted by the General Assembly of the United Nations on December 10, 1948. It is basic to all human rights. 2. In its previous general comment, the committee also observed that it is the supreme duty of states to prevent wars. War and other acts of mass violence continue to be a scourge of humanity and take the lives of thousands of innocent human beings every year. 3. While remaining deeply concerned by the toll of human life taken by conventional weapons in armed conflicts, the committee has noted that, during successive sessions of the General Assembly, representatives from all geographical regions have expressed their growing concern at the development and proliferation of increasingly awesome weapons of mass destruction, which not only threaten human life but also absorb resources that could otherwise be used for vital economic and social purposes, particularly for the benefit of developing countries, and thereby for promoting and securing the enjoyment of human rights for all. 4. The committee associates itself with this concern. It is evident that the designing, testing, manufacture, possession, and deployment of nuclear weapons are among the greatest threats to the right to life which confront mankind today. This threat is compounded by the danger that the actual use of such weapons may be brought about, not only in the event of war, but even through human or mechanical error or failure. 5. Furthermore, the very existence and gravity of this threat generates a climate of suspicion and fear between states, which is in itself antagonistic to the promotion of universal respect for and observance of human rights and fundamental freedoms in accordance with the Charter of the United Nations and the International Covenants on Human Rights. 6. The production, testing, possession, deployment and use of nuclear weapons should be prohibited and recognized as crimes against humanity. 7. The committee accordingly, in the interest of mankind, calls upon all states, whether parties to the covenant or not, to take urgent steps, unilaterally and by agreement, to rid the world of this menace.